In modern industrial processes, optimizing operating efficiency and process quality is essential, while also ensuring a focus on environmental and safety concerns. ABB Measurement and Analytics, from its pioneering Industrial Revolution 4.0 position, is able to deliver measurement solutions based on integrated and evolved technologies, digital communication, and highly automated manufacturing processes that excel in accuracy and reliability. A complete portfolio of measurement products and analysis systems. Accurate and reliable solutions for flow, pressure, temperature, and level measurement, together with gas and liquid analyzers, can be found in high-profile applications across the globe. Advanced yet precisely simple solutions coming from research and development on new technologies, designed starting from customers' needs to satisfy even the most demanding requirements. ABB Measurement and Analytics is globally active in 50 countries with 4,500 employees and 24 manufacturing sites. In Italy, the company has several facilities from north to south, with commercial partners distributed throughout the country. The Global Excellence Center for Pressure Measurement is located in Ossuccio on Lake Como. The factory on the lake is not only one of the most advanced facilities within the ABB Group, but is also a certified smart factory. Thanks to its research and development center on sensor design, coupled with a smart production line, which leverages a variety of state-of-the-art automation and robotic systems, the site is a one-of-a-kind industrial technology jewel. A wide range of pressure sensors and transmitters are designed, developed, and produced in this facility. All are equipped with digital communication protocols, enabling full integration with any automation and control system on the market. Highly automated processes. Robot automated assembly in an ISO 8 class clean room, able to guarantee a contamination level 10 times lower than non-controlled environments. Real in-field operating condition simulators and resistance testing. Automated control and inspection operations with supervision by highly specialized personnel are key factors in the creation of high-performance devices that are in compliance with accuracy, repeatability, and reliability standards required by customers. An integrated product traceability system allows ABB to analyze and control the different production phases, from raw metal bar intake to the complete device shipment. Every year, 150,000 transducers are produced. Half of them are shipped to manufacturing sites strategically located around the world, while the other half are processed in Ossuccio. All the manufacturing units are interconnected and real-time monitored using custom-made MES Manufacturing Execution System software. Digitization and production efficiency, innovation and expertise make the ABB Ossuccio facility and the Measurement and Analytics business unit an example of manufacturing excellence and one of the most advanced realities in the international industrial sector. Let's write the future together.